Well, we are here in Tunnel 1, which is our propagation tunnel down in Cornwall, where behind me you will see our camellia production. So I have now been here for 3 years and slowly but surely have been increasing our camellia range. And as you can see this year, it went really well. The cuttings rooted really well. And yeah, starting to look amazing. Need a good chop back and a good weed, but keeping on top of that this time of year obviously is a continuous project. So there's a few new varieties that hopefully will go from the P9 stage to the 2 year. So we've got Belinda, Alphin Rose, Frosted Star, Ooh La La and Sweet Olive, alongside quite a few others. Obviously we are just waiting to see what happens when we put them up from this stage. But yeah, really exciting to have some new ones on, and I'm just going to continue to propagate. So a lot of our stock plants are between here and at Cahays, so we'll go up to Cahays quite regularly, collect cuttings, bring them back here, and then we pop them into our deep benches. And yeah, we get them to this stage and hopefully to be able to be sold in a few months. Cheers!